700,000 Israeli settlers in West Bank who are, they have the ideology of killing Palestinians, hate Arab.
This is what many people, and especially legal scholars, call a scaled-down version of the genocide that is happening in Gaza. This means that Israel is testing the water to see how the world would react.
فرجعت على الحارة لقيتها مولع الكل ماشي في مظاهرة سألت ليش قالوا لي بدهم يهدوا بيت الجارة فانضميت هم البوليس حط وجهي بوجهي.
Anyone in these circumstances, if our occupier were Muslims, were Christians, were Hindu, whatever, then the same thing would happen because no one would accept living under such circumstances where you're constantly dehumanized.
In a very barbaric way, 2 or 3 settlers kidnapped him, enforced him to drink fuel, and burned him alive.
Comes to in the rara, and the lonely and proud little Mary falls for it.
Just to kind of digress a little bit, I think there's a slide of the Haymarket martyrs somewhere there among the others. The four people executed in Chicago in 1887.
Ahan scéal agus seacht legan de bhahan Árann mar a dear seanachta. Well, a téadúirt sin cainar thuúla se umra an Árann an sean daine dáte a bhfuil legan éagsúlaige an ahan fariste na lóirte a rédig agus beoga na rug tuiscint rá bhónaige héal na palatíarta héal an i gríomhthais na cinse ré i'r éireanne na main socialta.
When it comes to how we see the UN, Palestinians on the political side used to think about the UN as a reference, as a way to have the freedom and being recognized as an independent country. But during the genocide, actually there is no reference in this word.
It seems like Palestine is the exception. So yes, we sanction every country that violates human rights, but when it comes to Israel, there is this exceptionalism that is given to Israel. I think the support that the Irish people give is important, because what I really appreciate about this support is that it's not really sympathy, because Palestinians are not really asking for sympathy. They are, like the Irish people, empathize because they understand what's going on. Unfortunately, like here, so Ireland recently recognized Palestine as a state. It has been celebrated, but the thing is, what some countries do is that they recognize Palestine as a state and they're like, we've done enough. But what does this recognition do? It did nothing. What Palestinians are asking for is an arms embargo, sanctions, ending any kind of diplomatic relations, putting pressure on Israel, because yes, recognition is important, but this is after what is happening. This recognition will not stop the genocide, and if we don't stop the genocide, there will be no Palestine to even exist in a few years.
Siúl, 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 siúl.